know you can actually earn USDT here in the B network and withdraw it instantly to your wallet. So I'm going to walk you through how to do daily check-in to earn USDT, which you can actually withdraw to your personal wallet. Started in B network. The link will be in the video description. Now what you're going to do here is you click on this explore. Tap on this explore. Once you tap on this explore, you are going to see B lottery. This particular one, B lottery, you are going to see it. Now you click on that. So you are going to see this one is the plaza, the play, and the vault. So you click on this last one. Once you click on it, you can now see check-in. These are the daily check-in you'll be earning 0.5, and the minimum you can withdraw from this wallet from this B is $2. So imagine 0.5 every day. In 4 days you are getting $2, which you can withdraw to your personal wallet. So the first thing you need to do, I have done the first claim today, which is what I earned 0.5. Now this is what in my wallet. I've already connected my wallet. So what you're going to do is just to click on connect wallet here. Tap on this connect wallet. It's going to bring these two options, the browser wallet and the wallet connect. So you're going to choose the browser wallet. Tap on the browser wallet. So it's going to bring the interface connect kiniko. You are going to see your wallet and you click on connect over here. You can see connect over here. Tap on connect, then you sign in the message, click on confirm. You have to put your B password. I believe you know your B password. Put your B password. So after that, you click on confirm. You can use the wallet connected and every other thing. So the next thing you need to do, you can switch network. You can switch to Binance matching. You can switch to Binance matching testnet. So if I want to switch to Binance match, I think will be preferable. I'll tap on this Binance matching. So I'm going to connect it again. So I'm going to allow. My phone is not showing it, but it's showing allows down here. Tap on allow. Can you see my Binance matching is now connected? So please make sure you connect it on your Binance matching so that the withdrawal charge fee will be a little bit lesser than that of Ethereum. After that, you are going to see here check-in. Tap on that check-in, and for you to earn rewards and to earn a referral bonus, I'm going to drop my B referral link in the video description. So check on that referral link. This is my B referral link. Once you copy my B referral link, you need to have it before you can proceed. Somebody must actually invite you to this. So what you're going to do is you enter the B code here. You're going to enter the code here. So you're going to enter my referral link here. I'm going to attach it in the video's description. After that, you click on bind. So this is my referral code. N5SAQA8G. Once you copy it, let me copy it and they show you what you need to do. Once you copy it, you come here. It is 8 character in number. Once you put it, you click on bind. Tap on bind. I can't bind myself. So I can't bind myself. So after that, you will see the daily check-in. Tomorrow you come back and do the same. So you can see your address will be showing here, and at least 2 USDT if you want to withdraw. At least 2 USDT. So what you are going to do is just to click on withdraw. Once you have 2 USDT, click on submit request, and you are going to receive it inside your B wallet. So go and do this immediately and participate fully to be earning at least 2 USDT in 4 days. Is something. Make sure that you are claiming your BSP points. Tap here. You are going to see the link also in the video description. Make sure that you are claiming your BSP point. Do your daily check-in. It is also advisable to do check-in. Do your daily check-in. Click on start. Now check-in. The link to the SP point will be in the video description as well. Why is it showing check-in success 0 SP points? I think my network failed. It's still loading. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.